There is an enemy that follows us everywhere. It knows our fears. It knows our weaknesses. It knows exactly where to strike. We search for it in the world around us, in obstacles, in circumstances, in other people, but the truth is far more unsettling. The enemy has been with us all along. It is the voice that whispers, "You are not ready." The doubt that freezes us before we take our first step. The fear that convinces us to surrender before the battle has even begun. No rival can hold us back as much as our own hesitation. No wall is higher than the one we build in our minds. We are our own worst enemy. Yet the moment we confront that enemy, the moment we silence doubt and choose courage, we become unstoppable. Because the greatest victory is not over the world. It is that which is over our own mind.
Good night, y'all beautiful people. My name is Sinus from Kingston, Jamaica. Welcome to the live stream. Yes, sir. Before we kick things off, as usual, I gotta hit my intro. So just sit back, relax, and just vibe with your boy. Let's kick it off. Let's go.
There is an enemy.
Boy, missy, one ready. Boy, missy, me nah come here to smile. Missy, watch this. Me step in at the place, watch the whole thing shift. Me no comfy chat, me comfy bust the rhythm. Unruly. Fire, 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 fire.
Yes. My name is Sinus from Kingston, Jamaica. We're just kicking back ready right now to hit some GTA 5. Miss Sinus is in the background with Lily Sinus right now. Yeah, baby Sinus ain't here. She's with Mom Sinus. Well, the other Mommy Sinus. RIP to the first Mommy Sinus. Yeah, so we're just kicking back, man.
Hey, how you doing?
My bro Hawkins isn't here right now. So we're just alright guys, so what happened? This is pretty new to me. They online, well, no, let me shut up. This is pretty new to me. in in terms of playing GTA on PC, yeah, it's I'm still getting used to it. It's way easier and simpler on a console, that is. Y'all know I'm used to my whole PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4 vibe. So I'm still getting used to it on my gaming PC. So yeah, here we go. Let's get things going. Grab some juice. And let's go. Alright, so the last mission that I did, I was pretty much out here with Hawkins. Um, yeah, let's steal a chopper. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, we're gonna head to the city. I'm surprised I'm still able to fly a chopper. Oh jeez. I'm gonna need a lot of stuff. We were doing some headhunters early on. I need to go to a gun store. I really hope I don't hit any building or anything that's gonna cause me to die. So I pretty much just started over everything because I'm not able to carry over my saves from PlayStation to computer, so I have to start back from scratch. It's been pretty hard because I ain't got nobody to play with. Yeah. Only got my friends Hawkins to play with, and I gotta wait on him. And not, I don't know anybody that has GTA on PC. As I said, I'm a console guy. For me, PC gaming always felt like a headache and expensive. I wish my sinus was able to play this with me. But I'm gonna let her play it one day with me. Oh my god, I hope I don't crash this. I hope I don't crash this chopper. So, 1 second, my son. Let me land this thing in the middle of the road. Good. The only guy in the city doing this crazy stuff.
The lady watching her husband
Mm-hmm.
feeling.
No, she have to leave. I'm gonna divorce her. As God live it. You know business.
You should throw the water on it, you know?
Yeah, she crazy.
Don't take it as though.
Alright, so I made a little money with Hawkins by my side. Shout out to my bro Hawkins for that.
I also sell a kit for filing off serial numbers.
Boy, drive it, boy. Wait. That's for it.
Baby Santa's getting a little bit reeled up there. He needs his attention.
I'm on a full face.
So,
I can tell
yeah.
we are going to get along famously.
Alright, so yeah. I need to do some single missions and unlocks and stuff. Oh, Chopper is still there, thank God. it's way easier to travel in. I just hope nobody don't come and kill me. I always hate that. Where are we going? I, where is my house? I got a house, you know.
You know, it's not the same.
Oh,
It's not the same when you play it on the PS4 and play it on this now. It's just really not the same thing. You
oh,
understand?
well,
Like it don't feel the same to me
yeah,
watching you playing
yeah.
it.
This is prettier though. This is the enhanced version, but yeah, yeah. It don't feel the same way because it's weird. I'm starting brand new, so it's like it's like a headache for me right now. It's like starting over life.
You can't put this up like that.
But you have to give me a second. I'm flying a chopper. Oh my god, I'm crashing.
Is this Maryland?
No,
It's supposed to steady and go down slowly.
I know how to do it, but because I don't even know where to go. I need a job.
You know, to modify yourself. No, right, the Monday.
I don't either, but I'm broke.
Which one you have?
I only have well, I have 401,000, not bad. But because I have a bunker business, but I need help from real people to help me.
We're gonna call Jasmine and
It can't play because they're on console. It's not crossover. Thanks GTA. The only reason I got this, you know, is because oh my god, somebody's coming. I need my car. Let's give some trouble. Yeah, mama. Mama like it. Yeah, mama, what go on? Yeah, yeah, mama said. Yeah, my friend, Slimmers.
That's sexual assault.
Me sexual assault a while ago. Yeah, me sexual assault a while ago. That's not even a tongue, that's a bingo. Look what they're wearing. Fine. Ear V. What? Godman, what go on? But Diana, bro. What you up to, yo? I haven't seen you in a minute, bro. What the ambulance are coming, I'm gonna revive the lady. Yo, come look at this. But thump the woman one time and she dead. Rotted man crashing her wall. The man crash.
Wow, this is a tough one. They didn't make so much for lowering the murder rate. Mom's right. I should move to Vice City. You bet.
Oh my god!
You ready to game tomorrow?
Rotted. So they must come and look on the woman and gone, sir.
Christ alive!
Is So let me wow. Alright guys, how do I do this? I'm trying to remember. Oh, comma mechanic. Yes, that's it. Yo, bro, I'm trying to remember. Bro, you don't have GTA.
You need me to bring you a ride?
Rotted me car impound. Yeah, when me car impound.
I'll
Rotted.
get back to work.
I want me car impound. You don't have it? Rotted. Yeah, I did really get this on the PC, the gaming PC, to play with Dino Crazy them you know, bro. But them a lock down the server, but them a do upgrades. And one bag of thing I rotate, somebody I wait upon them. Oh. Oh, over there so. You know Dino Crazy server, right? You must know that. Dino and Cassie. Yo, get in at the thing already for to line up the gameplay. Let me care, man.
Cover me! Gotta reload! Go for it!
Go to my car. Rotted. I stole back my car. Y'all know how amazing this car is. Don't play with me, boy. This is a. What kind of car this again? It's an Evolution. Don't play with me. Trying to hide. I'm trying to hide this car in the garage or something like that. Can this open? Damn. Oh my god, coppers are coming. The cops are coming. Yes, we got away. Because I was just about to dip around here. Or dip around here. I'll go all the way across here. Alright guys, here we go.
So then, the bottle is in your mouth and you're
Alright,
still
here we
fighting
go.
me. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I almost got. Alright guys, we gonna find some stuff to do.
What's your daddy?
We need to make some money.
It won't squeeze my finger and I fight
Mhm.
it.
That's him for you. Alright guys, so we're gonna register as a boss. I don't understand. Uh, every time I go on, they keep asking me to name
Name your organization.
over and over and over. I name it like 1,000. Yo, the amount of time I do this, they're ridiculous. The amount of time I do this. It's like every time I have to do it over and over and over again. Uh, so this is my problem playing this game now. There's nobody to play with, and then I'ma get bored and start fall asleep. Got me easy for bored.
If is join a server.
I am in a server with real people, but I just don't.
Find some people.
Yeah, but I need help. I'm gonna get my bed now, you. Just a minute, I'm sorry for you. Me lions already. What's my day? I'm hungry too, you.
Then there's season around.
No.
There's food around the front. They have stuff.
You want stream later? Go true, you know. But you know, my original streaming time is actually 9 p.m. When I first started Sinus Gaming, that was usually the time I'm stream because what I do is when I come from work, I reach home and I rest a little bit. You know, settle and bed and then I stream from 9 to 12. Go on my bed and rise up back. You know, the 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock bells. So I head out back again on the work. You know? But yeah man, I gotta change it up man. I start stream earlier. I have to work around the schedule too. With the little one then, you know? So, yep. I have a lot of things to do, man. Yeah. I need to switch it back still. It's really 9 o'clock is my time. Really and truly 9 o'clock. But how things bro? I need help. If I'm about to start VIP work. Headhunters. Nice. You deal with the heat. Alright guys, we're about to collect a trailer. I head to a location. Make some money. Oh wow. Somebody's fighting with an oppressor. I'm so happy they're gonna take it out. I'm really happy that they're gonna take it out of GTA 6. No oppressor. So annoying. Always hate that Viva. I mean, I grieve people with it, but jeez, I have a conscience. The worst thing can happen to you is when what? Yeah, well, I'm not gonna do this. Where's the truck? Oh, hmm. Better not impound my vehicle, boy. Alright, guys, here we go. Trust me, yo, bro. I literally have two fans in the room. I'm still a bun up, bro. I really hope these dudes don't grief me. And they're gonna make me drive the long way. Crazy. Yeah, somebody's coming. Yeah, they're fighting. Yep, someone's shooting at my container. Yeah, they're coming. Yes. Stop clowning me. Stupid boy. Dumb as hell. See me do my delivery. Why the hell you gonna pull up and try? That's my stuff, boy. That's probably our young folks today. Damn. Damn, stupid boy. I'm gonna mess up my delivery, brother. A truck can't move now. Idiot boy. Idiot boy. Alright, how am I gonna get this trailer up now? Damn. This dude go mess up my work. Always have them dumb dudes. I'ma hunt this dude down.
What you need, boss? Some wheels? I can bring them round. I'll get there as soon as I can.
location. Sigh. Dang, I was almost there. I'ma hunt this. I'ma hunt this fool. Really?
Oh my god. It smells.
Come on. Ah.
coming in with the fun.
Shut up, star, man. Kill me, yo. Oh, man, kill me, dog.
Did you go both of them down and push it to the mosquito? Jesus.
Alright, cool, bro.
Mutual. How can I be of service? Okay.
Your style was cool like 20 years ago.
I'm on the clock. What you want? Some wheels? It's on the way.
1 second, guys.
What do you have in mind? Ooh, ooh. Oh, yeah. It's fine. Yep. Thanks for stopping by.
Hey, I sourced a new color of yarn! Everyone in the movie industry is a god. Douche.
Come in, look around. I can see you wearing that. If you can't find your size, we'll order it. I can tell you have good taste. Bye. Enjoy your purchase.
Ought to put my nephew on the hood, add him to the families.
Yeah, I feel you.
I think you need to get lost.
Keep staring, homie. I'll get your ass but ass in.
What the fuck?
Hey, what's happening with it, pimp? You know who it is. It's your boy LD. Hey, I know we ain't chopped it up in a minute, but I got a homie that needs something. And y'all just might make a perfect partnership. Let me read this thing. Looking for a professional operative to co-manage private intelligence business catering to celebrities and high net worth individuals. If that sound like you, nigga, you need to get your name on the lease over at Dynasty 8 Executive. And my boy gonna holler at you. Peace. Hey, what's happening with it, pimp? You know who it is. It's your boy LD. Hey, I know we ain't chopped it up in a minute, but I got a homie that needs something. And y'all just might make a perfect partnership. Let me read this thing. Looking for...
I'm about to just sit here and keep it crack-a-lacking like a bag of knuckles, my baby.
Can't be no other way, fam.
Chump. Fucking ballers. They can lick my boss for nothing.
All right, family. That's what's up.
Fucking Vagos, bitches. We gotta finish them chumps.
All right, neighbor. You already know.
We putting all this work in, and I ain't seeing no real green.
Can't be no other way, fam.
Take your ass home before OG check your pockets.
About to meet up with the family, blaze up soon.
I do comply. Let's ride. Man, I'm hired in a Rocketeer. I ain't going nowhere fast.
All right, family. That's what's up. Man, I'm just out here maintaining my OG reputation. Feel me?
For real, my baby.
Fools out here claiming in-hood. Ain't even from Davis.
And that you do know. I've been smoking all motherfucking day. I don't even know what the hell I'm gonna do for the rest of the day.
All right, neighbor. You already know.
That motherfucking car crash was crazy, man.
Can't be no other way, fam. You marks ain't shit. Davis gang, bitch.